Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Ka arpu pratrik uluber hajar khat pra kanong kasngi sa jingkin mawi ki Khynnah Pule jong ka Icfai University Meghalaya ki bla pendam ya ki jing Pule paper jong ki namar dei ha kani kasngi bla Pynkup Burom ki daki takma bat ki sernat kani ki jing Pynkup Burom ya ka bla tep ru kum ka convocation kala long hausu sutham auditorium ha ka bla kurkhu ya ka daulat ka jela uganga prasad kum kongsan kat bau menteri rangba ka jela ukonrat kongkal sangma uralong usembot kongsan la penya ini ke jinglang Pynkup Burom dau chancellor jong kani school ba u colonel Dr. VRK Prasad haringkat ke jingdon lang ka vice chancellor I Dr. Miss Alisha Gatpho kumju ru ka dean registrar ki head of department ki noi kai bat kiwe na preng ki Khynnah Pule ki bla pass ha ki jing Pule ba per ki ba kanthop ya ka postgraduate but undergraduate kum ka BBA BHD MBCA MBA MTTM MCOM MCA na preng kini lai pho arngot kilayo ya ka takma kser lai pho ngot kilayo ya ka takma rupa hendri pho ngot kilayo ya ki rank certificate but khatwi ngot kilayo ya ki merit certificate.
But at the very outset, I'd like to congratulate all the students who have passed and who have graduated today. It actually is a great day. You will look back many years from now and remember this day when you finish your graduation, because as our Chancellor was mentioning, that these are most probably the best days in your life. And you will look back, and as life goes ahead, you will see the challenges that you will face in life. And you'll remember these days, your college days and the day you graduated. And you remember that these were truly one of the best days that you had. Not to give you a grim picture that the future is going to be bad, but in terms of the work, the pressure, the challenges are going to start now. I'd like to thank Icfai University. I was speaking to the Chancellor just before the program started, and I truly was impressed with the kind of vision and idea and goal that Icfai University has all across the country. There are 11 universities, I'm told, and out of those 11, 5 of them are in Northeast India. And I think that speaks a lot about how the Icfai University, the society that runs it, how they feel about the people of Northeast. Where you find a lot of people sometimes hesitating to come to Northeast. Here we have a university and a society that makes sure that they take the challenge and come to the Northeast and provide the opportunity to our young minds and our young children to get the quality education which each and every one of us deserves. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank Icfai for having taken the initiative, and I assure them that even as a government, we are also very keen and we are also very determined to ensure that education moves forward. The government, our government here, is very much focused on education. In fact, education most probably will be our #1 priority. We have even ensured that there is maximum budget in the budgetary allocation this year for education. We are trying our best to ensure that we try to rope in different institutions to try and build up the infrastructure here so that we can provide quality education to our children and our youth. At the same time, we are also ensuring that we come out with a very robust and concrete education policy. Sadly, our state does not have an education policy in place. And we are determined that the education policy should be out in the next 6 months' time. We are working very hard. We are consulting different kind of stakeholders who can contribute to make this education policy a very robust policy, as I said, a policy that will incorporate all aspects, not just the aspect of infrastructure and basic education, but how to improve the quality of education in general. So we are very keen to do that, and I assure you that this government will ensure that we support education institutions like Icfai, who have been on their own taking initiative to do all these positive things that they're doing for the youth and for our young generation.
क्या आपके लिए एक बहुमूल्य प्रमाणित माध्यम है जो आपके जीवन को एक नया आकार देगा। इस डिग्री को अंत में के रूप में कभी भी न देखें जब तक आप अपनी पसंद की कैरियर की दहलीज में प्रवेश न कर पाएं और अपनी योग्यता को प्राप्त नहीं कर लेते, तब तक इस डिग्री को एक स्वस्थ उत्प्रेरक के रूप में देखकर काम करते रहें। कहा गया है, जब तक ध्येय न पूरा होगा तब तक पद की गति न रुकेगी। इसके द्वारा आप अपनी इच्छाओं को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए ज्ञान प्राप्त कर दुनिया में बदलाव लाकर इसे और बेहतर बना सकते हैं। आपके लिए बड़े सौभाग्य की बात है, इस विश्वविद्यालय ने अपनी शिक्षा समाप्त कर जीवन के कार्य क्षेत्र में प्रवेश करने के लिए आपको प्रेरित किया है। इसलिए आप अमूल्य निधि जिसे आपकी प्रतिष्ठा बढ़ेगी, जिसे आप प्राप्त कर रहे हैं, इससे आपकी प्रतिष्ठा बढ़ रही है। आप सबों को दुनिया में होने वाली बदलाव, नवीनतम तकनीकी से होने वाली विकास के लिए सजग रहने की जरूरत है। हर एक दिन बेहतर संस्करण बनाने के लिए हमेशा आपका प्रयास होना चाहिए।
2007-9 batch Devdatta Bhattacharjee, MBA 2009-11 batch Aribam Deepak Sharma, gold medal. Kipjen, silver medal. MBA 2010-12 batch, Diamond Icfai, gold medal. (2010-12 batch, silver medalist Arunav Bobby Das Carbonara. 2011-13 batch, Champavati Hajang, gold medal. 2011-13 batch, Idabok Linkhoi, silver medal. 2012-14 batch, Anil Kumar Parjapat.
Congratulations.
2012-14 batch, Namchi Sangma, silver medal. 2013-15 batch, Sharan Pradhan, gold medal. 2013-15 batch, Kaisnan Albert Singh, silver medal. 2015-17 batch, gold medal. 2015-17 batch, Bikun Lung Gangmei, silver medal. 2014-16 batch, Bante Hun Mary Lindor, gold medal. MTTM 2014-16 batch, Alutoli IME. 2015-17 MTTM, gold medal goes to strong. MTTM 2015-17 batch, Pinky R. Mara, silver medal. Pule Hajang. 2009-12 batch, Raju Thapa, silver medal. 2010-13 batch, G. 2011-14 batch, Anwara Begum, silver medal. 2012-15 batch, Christina L. Hauke, silver medal. Malcolm Nausiage, gold medal. 2013-16 batch, Ephraim C., silver medal. 2014-17 batch, Manoj Dhar, silver medal. 2008-11 BHTM, Brian Gould. BHTM 2011-14 batch, Bamang Shanti, silver medal. BHTM 2013-16 batch, Nyenye Hatwe, gold medal. BHTM 2013-16 batch, Karmar Basar, silver medal. 2014-17 batch, Wainawati Namchuk silver medal. BCA 2008-11 batch, Amarnath Sa gold medal. BCA 2009-12 batch, Colin D. Sangma, gold medal. Medal goes to Nancy Paul. Nancy Paul. BCA 2010-13 batch, Sherina Yasmin. 2012-15 batch, Gopinath Kushwaha, gold medal. (2012-15 batch, Preeti Lalu, silver medal. BCA 2013-16 batch, Tabumani Basumataren, gold medal. BCA 14-17 batch, Ivor Lam Pungro, silver medal.
MBA 2014-16, Anuradha Nath. BHTM 2010-13, Nasanki Mamabola Boila Wati Namchu. Thank you, sir.